Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Titan window motor. A failing window motor often causes slow or non-responsive window operation. You will need basic hand tools, including a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool set. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and work gloves, before you begin any automotive repair. This ensures a smooth and secure replacement. To access the window motor, first carefully remove the small trim panels and the main window switch assembly. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to pry these pieces away, then disconnect their electrical connectors. Next, gently work your way around the door panel, popping out the 10 to 12 retaining clips that hold it in place. Once loose, lift the panel up and away from the door frame, being mindful of any remaining cables. With the door panel removed, carefully secure the window glass in the fully up position using painter's tape across the top of the door frame. This prevents the glass from falling. Next, locate and remove the three 10mm bolts holding the window motor and regulator assembly to the door. Disconnect the electrical harness from the motor. Now, you can carefully remove the old assembly and install your new motor and regulator, securing it with the 3 bolts. Once the new motor is installed, reconnect its electrical harness. Then, reattach the door handle and lock cables to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and firmly press it into place, ensuring all retaining clips snap back securely. Reinstall all trim pieces and the window switch. Finally, test the new window motor multiple times to confirm it operates smoothly and fully, moving the window up and down without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.